call me biting my I wasn't biting my nails. Okay. What's up, guys?
So we're here with the triplets.
Mia, Alana,
Opie.
Opioid.
Nobody asked for your 2 cents. We're recording right now.
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Beach day.
Wow, let's say that again on the triplets. 1, 2, 3.
Beach day. With the goblet. Wait, what's 5?
5 is 4 plus 1. Yeah, boys. 5 is 4 plus 1 or 3 plus 2.
So we'll see you guys at the beach. What's up, guys? So we're at the beach, as you can see.
Yes.
So I'm gonna record the girls getting in the water when they first get in. I could barely see the camera because the sun.
I know. It's just like the sun's not out, but it's still bright.
Yeah. So we're gonna get into our bathing suits, which they already have on.
Yeah,
so
she
it's
needs to
me.
get.
And then we're gonna get into the freezing cold water.
I mean, it's not that bad. It's cold.
peace.
It's cold.
Okay, guys. So we got these chips. It's hot Cheetos, flaming extra hot. It's supposed to be twice as hot as the regular Cheetos.
Yeah.
So are you guys ready to try
Yeah.
it? Oh wait, I don't even
I'm
have
excited.
I want to put your reactions up.
Okay, let me go first. By the way, these things are huge. All right. It's spicy. Way spicier than the regular hot Cheetos. Oh, these are hot.
How is it, Alana?
Have it. All right, I'm trying
Ready?
it right now. 3, 2. Mia's exaggerating.
Mia.
It's not even hot.
Yeah.
How's your reaction?
I don't know. Where you recording?
Look
the men! I'm gonna eat it later.
Okay, so our family's coming, so we're gonna cut this short and then just record when we get in the water, cause yeah. So
Peace.
You want to drive our
Mia, hurry, help! Titi, you're missing it. Titi.
I'm about to die, but I'm still gonna eat this. Like, now later. Oh, maybe they tie ropes on it. They tie like yachts and stuff.
Alright guys, so we're at the water right now. We've been playing in the water for a bit now, like
Yeah.
an hour
And then,
or so.
oh my God, I wish you guys could see the beautiful rainbow that like just formed.
Yeah.
It is gorgeous.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put our Instagrams down below, all of ours, so you can see the pictures that we post.
Yes,
Because it is gonna be beautiful.
I'm gonna show you. You guys
Look at
see
the
it?
rainbow.
Don't mind that dude in the corner. He be thinking he's been there for a minute, so he's peeing.
Been there forever.
Naya was like he's peeing.
He's been in the longest.
But yeah, the rainbow. We seen the end of the rainbow. It's like all the way down there,
Honestly.
and there's
But-
no goal.
We literally got out to eat sandwiches, and like we got back in and the water was so cold.
Yo, was it?
And there's grandma in the back. Show grandma. Grandma, say hi. Yeah, and we're probably gonna be leaving soon, so the water just hit us.
We're trying to look for the sand crabs and stuff.
Yeah, you can see like the little holes where they're growing.
But
and
we
where
might
they're
not leave. We're
breathing.
walking, remember?
Oh yeah, we're gonna probably go for a little walk, get some more ice cream, and oh my god, show them the water hitting us.
Don't mind my toes.
Bro, don't mind our toes, but like look at the water. And if you felt how freezing cold
Yo,
it was,
it's like ice bath. So I'm just cooking.
but it's weird because the sun just came out.
Look. Oh my gosh! And it gets all in our butt and stuff.
Oh my
But it
god.
is so beautiful out here. We've been here for like
And
a good...
Mia, if you guys saw the video where Mia cut her hair, literally she was in the beach, like in the water, and she was like, I could feel the water in my scalp. It's freezing cold.
And then when we were in the car, she was like, I don't have to push my hair back no more. I was like,
And she put a pinche. If you don't know what a pinche is, it's a clip.
Yeah.
She put a clip on her head.
and it was like no hair in it at all.
It pulled her hair back.
Yeah, it was holding by like a string.
Oh my god, and honestly, we've been having photo shoots because I find these girls incredibly beautiful.
Thank you.
And comment down below if you think these twins are gorgeous because I
Stop!
think they're freaking gorgeous.
Oh my god.
Yes, comment down below.
Stop.
Oh my god, look at the hole she's digging.
I know, I'm over here digging.
Oh my god, there was a crab.
Really?
Show it.
Wait, you show it.
Oh my
Why? Why would you do that? God, this makes me so mad. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay, so we're gonna be putting the camera down now because we do not want it to get wet. But we look amazing right now, don't we?
I look amazing, not you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I think I just
Okay guys, so we decided to go for a little walk. Yeah, because people are walking around. I don't know where. Mia, come here. Oh, we're gonna be checking out stores and going to get ice cream.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
To enjoy the rest of our day, and then after that,
Go home, pack.
yep, go home packed because we're going back to Pennsylvania first, then
then
New
New
York.
York.
So we'll see you guys when we are about to leave.
We're about to leave. Naya and Alana are swimming right now, and I came out because it's cold, so I'm gonna record them.
vlog here in front of Taco Bell.
Okay.
We just left the beach with the entire family, and we are getting ready to go eat dinner. Join the vlog. Wait, we don't.
Yeah, no, we don't want your ugly face in it.
Come in here, Mom.
I know y'all didn't throw my mother out.
Grandma, let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Avanza, pendeja.
Okay, so we're gonna go eat now. This is the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed.
No,
Like,
it
comment.
ain't. No, it ain't. We got a long night.
Yeah, we got a whole night.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the beginning of today's vlog.
We just getting started.
We'll see you guys when we get home.
Bye.